Hello, my name is Bjorn Barrett, and I am the author of BadgerPD. And in this video, I'm going to cover the setup step of accept input from users. When a end user completes a badge in BadgerPD, they must fill out a small form, and that information needs to get added to this spreadsheet. To do this, there's a small script that needs to be set up and ran as you, the owner of this spreadsheet. And I'm going to go through those instructions now. Once this video is complete, you'll see a video option here, probably a print option. Right now, I'm going to go for the instructions, the printout instructions here. The important part will be this little tiny piece of code, which I will put in the description of this video. So you can grab it from the video directly, or you can grab it right from the print instructions. I'm going to highlight that and copy. We will need that. First step is actually to close the setup. You want to then go to Tools, Script Editor. Let it load for a little bit here. You want to take any text that's in there, highlight, delete it, and replace it with the script that I sent you. Give it a name. doPost, BadgerPD. This name actually doesn't matter much, so I'm recommending BadgerPD doPost. Go ahead and hit save. The other thing you have to do is hit publish and deploy as a web app. The project version, let that just be new. You want to execute as you. And who has access to this? You actually have to specify that to be, if you're using this within your school system, you can say anybody within the domain, or I would suggest anyone, even anonymous. Go ahead and click deploy. It will pop up and want you to review permissions. So go ahead and go through the permissions properties. Okay, once that is done, you'll get to this page where he has this URL. You want to take this URL and that you want to Control C for copy. At this point, we are done with the script. And we want to go back to the BadgerPD add-on. And this is where it's asking for the web URL. So I'm going to hit paste that web URL. And then I'm going to hit test submission. There you go. Thank you very much, and never stop learning. Hopefully you enjoy BadgerPD.